May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly market forecast. In this video, we're going to go over gold and maybe we might be able to find the best possible potential setups. This market, it's in a bit of a consolidation, so this is not my favorite market to look at right now, I'll be honest with you. However, I do have some things that I'm looking for, and if that criteria is met, I think there's an opportunity. Let's take a look. Now we're looking at the weekly forecast. We're looking at the weekly time frame. I'm losing it. All right, looking at the weekly time frame, right, and we can see the market obviously still bullish, right, making higher high, higher low. All right, and we have a break of market structure here. Whenever I see a break of market structure, I determine which direction it's going. It's going up, so it's a bullish bias that we have. All right. Overall, I'm looking for prices to go higher. All right. But what you want to look at is how is the move constructed? Let's take a closer look, and we can say that this is the area of fair value where buyers and sellers are both participating in this market. We have the sell down to the buy up. All right. The sell off before a sharp buy up, that is the area of fair value. All right. Now, what does price usually do? Once the area of fair value is formed, it comes back and retests that area of fair value, and more oftentimes than not, it finds support or resistance there. But in this case, in the case of an uptrend, you're going to look for it to find support and move higher. All right. Look at this candle. All right. Price came back into the area of fair value on 2 weeks ago. Last week, we see the move away from that same area of fair value. Okay. Also, what you want to note, let's move that out of the way so I don't like too many things on my screen. Also, you want to note is there is a weekly area here that I like to point out. It is a fair value gap, right? A bullish fair value gap on the weekly time frame. All right. And what did price do? Stabbed into it 2 weeks ago and moved away. This is what you want to see, a two candle reaction, one going in and one moving out. This is a bullish indicator to me. All right. Doesn't matter what it is to you. I'm telling you. No, I'm kidding. All right. So it's a bullish indication to me, and I'm thinking that we'll have some more bullishness to come. And the fact, before I move on, the fact that price open and closed as an inside bar here is noteworthy, because a lot of times you'll see where there's an inside bar, the direction has changed. All right. And we could be seeing the market shift from bearish to bullish. So we're going to take a note. We're just taking notes. All right. We want to pile all the possible confluences in our direction. But what you want to make note of is, what you want to definitely make note of is the fact that there is a bullish fair value gap here that held. All right, that held, and price is moving away from it. Last week, this is Monday's candle, Monday, Tuesday, and then for the next 3 days, it consolidated here. That's something to note. All right, what do I like to see in a consolidation? The end of it. All right, I want to see either I want to see price create that area of consolidation with sweeps of the lows, sweeps of the highs, sweeps of the lows, and then before it moves away, sweeps that low and then pushes higher to come back and then move higher again. Let me draw it with this here. All right, I want to see consolidation. I want to see a sweep of the lows and a sweep of the highs and a push back into this consolidation area, which is now an area of fair value where both buyers and sellers participated, find the support, and then go higher. That's what I'm looking for right here. Does that make sense? I hope it does. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. So I'm going to take a quick peek at the 4 hour. And what I want to do is mark out the consolidation area from here to here, right? The high and the low. All right, we got a consolidation area there. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm going to just put it as this. All right. All right, we got this consolidation area here. And what I'm looking at are these lows. All right. Now, this is an area of demand, a sell off before a buy up, a sell before the buy up. All right. I'm looking at this. I'm marking it. All right. It didn't mark. I don't know why. All right. I'm looking at it as an area of demand. Okay. And you can see how the market moved in here, showed that candle, that wick of respect, came back to that demand area, wicked up again, come down, didn't even make it, wicked up. Now, what do I want to see? I want to see, because we are in an uptrend, I want to see prices moving upward. All right. But before it moves up, what I want to see, doesn't mean it has to happen, but what I want to see is these lows taken out here. Why aren't you printing? Why? Let me see this. All right. I want to see these lows printing there. Let's get that out of there. All right. And I want to see those lows get swept. So I'm going to mark these lows here like so. And I'm going to put a dollar sign right dab in the middle. That's not in the middle. All right. Boom. All right. I want to see these lows swept. All right. This low and this low. All right. If price sweeps those lows, I'm looking at this. All right. Doesn't have to sweep this low, but I would love it if it did sweep that low so that price can find all the liquidity it needs to make this trip to the upside. All right. And take these highs. This is a smooth edge, as ICT likes to say. All right. A smooth edge is what is a powerful draw on liquidity. I'm looking for these highs to get taken next week. And I'm going to put some more dollar signs on that because I think that's going to be an important area for price to get to. And I'm looking for this kind of action. All right. I think that's a reasonable look. All right. Now, if price continues down, all right, takes out these lows and maybe comes after this low hanging fruit here, all right, we would be coming back to this CISD here, what I'm considering a CISD, because the reason why this is a change in the state of delivery, where price changed abruptly from a bearish market to a bullish market, right? And I don't think price goes past if it should return down to these levels, it shouldn't go past this area here. I'm looking for price to pop right at this line and then find support and come back. That's my second scenario. Okay. But my first scenario is that the demand holds and that maybe we can avoid the low hanging fruit here. This is a low resistance liquidity run for those that pay attention to these sort of things. I am one of those people. Can I just get this to work, please? Thank you. All right. I'm going to put it like this. What do we got here? Where's it at? There you go. All right. Oh, look. If this low does not hold, this should be a protected low because it's on a demand zone. If that low does not hold and price comes past this low, I'm looking for price to take this this area out, take this low hanging fruit here out into this area of demand. This is an order block actually, all right, where the market could bring prices back there, but we've already traded into this area. All right, we traded in this area, but we didn't get close below it. But I'm definitely looking for price to maybe find, maybe find support if it should not find the support it needs here at this demand. It's tried a number of times, so I'm looking for. At first, my first option is for price to go up higher from here. If it comes down to here, If it comes down here, then I'm looking forward to come down, come down here and find support. All right. Sweeping these lows. All right. And going higher. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, make sure you give me a question about it in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. All right. And we'll see what we get next week. We'll see what we get, because gold is in the middle of a consolidation. It's in the middle of a range, and I don't like this is why I don't. This is not my favorite market. It's not showing certainty, because there's no certainty in the markets right now with all the news and tariffs and trade and oil and Ukraine and whatnot. All right, so we got to wait and be patient. We got to wait and be patient. Let Monday pass. Let's see what the market brings us, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, we may get a good idea of where the direction is going to go. All right, that is my prescription. I am your doctor, and I want to see you get well within profit. Okay, may profits be upon you. Make sure you hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.